If your child's future looks bright, you're a super parent. Let's make it even brighter. Step 1. Nurture curiosity. Encourage your kids to ask questions and explore the world around them. Take nature walks, visit museums, and read books together. Curiosity fuels innovation. Step 2. Embrace technology. Introduce your children to educational tools and apps. Coding games, science kits, and virtual reality. Expression. Drawing, painting, music, and dance allow children to think outside the box and solve problems creatively. Step 5. Promote physical activity. Encourage sports, hiking, and outdoor play. Physical health boosts brain function and overall well-being. A healthy body supports a healthy mind. Step 6. Lead by example. Show your kids what it means to be a lifelong learner. Share your passions, tackle new challenges, and stay curious. Your actions speak louder than words. Remember, every small step counts. Empower your children today for a brighter tomorrow. Like, subscribe, and share for more inspiring tips. Join our community of super parents. Together, we can shape the future.